Welcome back. In this module, we'll walk through the process of setting up a Facebook business page. Whether you're just starting or looking to optimize your existing page, this is a crucial step in your Facebook marketing journey. Let's get started. First things first, create a professional business page that will represent your business on the Facebook platform. Your Facebook business page is the online face of your brand, and it's essential to make a positive impression. Let's dive into the steps to set up a page that reflects the essence of your business. To create your Facebook business page, log to your personal Facebook account. Once logged in, locate and click on the Pages option from the left sidebar. Once you're in Pages, click on Create a New Page option. Now, fill in your business details, the page name, category, and a short description. And once you're done, click Create Page. Here you can enter your business information. Alternatively, press Next to skip as we enter this information after creating the page. And there you have it. You have successfully created your business page. After creating the page, the first step that is required is to customize and optimize your Facebook page. Optimizing page elements is key to attracting and retaining visitors. From your profile picture to your cover photo and the About section, every element contributes to the overall impression. We'll discuss best practices for each, ensuring your page stands out. Let's optimize your page for maximum impact. Start by uploading a professional profile picture that represents your brand. Next, add a compelling cover photo that visually tells your story. Now, to add our business information, click on the Edit button, scroll down to edit your About info, and fill in your business details, including contact information, business hours, and a brief description. Also add your website, social media links, and any other relevant details. These not only help visitors learn more about your business, but also improve your page's discoverability. An important step is to add a call to action button. This button encourages visitors to take specific actions such as contacting you, making a purchase, or booking a service. So click on the three dots button and from the list choose Add Action button. Here you can choose any action button that represents your business needs. Select any action button and then link it to your desired platform. Now your page visitors can enjoy your booking and services by directly clicking on the action button. And there you have it. Congratulations on your new Facebook page. Complete your profile, define your page's purpose, and start posting engaging content regularly. Share your page within your network, respond to comments, and encourage discussions. Explore Facebook features, use insights for analysis, and consider running ads for wider reach. Collaborate with others, stay informed about Facebook algorithm changes, and be patient as you build your successful Facebook presence. Don't forget to apply what you've learned and make your page a vibrant hub for your community. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.